Hi, my name is Ken Whitaker, and I am the Managing Director of Leading Software Maniacs, LLC. As an Upwork freelancer, I create user documentation, digital letterpress posters, and e-learning courses and training material for a living. I've noticed a trend from potential clients regarding video tutorials and course development. They want help creating tutorial video lessons for their app and slideshows without a significant investment of time or money. Clients want quality training videos without spending endless hours attempting to master video editing techniques or video production tools as sophisticated as Camtasia. This course is not a do-it-all complete tutorial on Camtasia. Instead, this course is all about efficiency, totally focused on screen recording. In one afternoon, you'll learn the essentials for using Camtasia to create high-quality screen recordings. By screen recordings, I mean recording of tutorials explaining how an app works, as well as recording presentations, usually from PowerPoint slideshows. Recording verbal instructions can be a challenge. You'll learn to use speech-to-text and text-to-speech AI voiceover technology with TechSmith Audiate. AI-generated speech has gotten so good in the past couple of years that you may never need to use a microphone again.
Move the playhead to the very beginning of the timeline. Hold down the Shift key and drag everything currently on the existing tracks to the right, starting at the 5-second mark. Although you can use any graphic you want, we'll use one of the 4 sample landscape graphic images from the 05-01 subfolder in the exercise files.
Finally, each video lesson in your course will be exported to a format you can upload to any learning management system or LMS site. Don't have an LMS? TechSmith comes to the rescue with Screencast, a simple DIY video website where you can post your video lessons and courses. If you're ready to learn how to produce tutorials and courseware of app recordings and PowerPoint slideshow presentations, let's get learning.